Give her another French fry.
Oh, okay.
Mmm. Are those tasty? You gonna share one with Indy? Yay!
Don't share that with Indy.
Yeah, don't share that with Indy.
Hey, baby. No, don't share that with Indy.
Indy says that's not a French fry. He doesn't like strawberry shortcake. Indy needs another French fry. No, Lily needs one.